Advanced, simple, reliable. Introducing the N-Seal Secondary Containment Adapter. MCI Solutions is a technology leader in the chemical injection market. We are proud to offer a variety of patented energy-efficient leak containment solutions, from electric drive packages to the N-Seal adapter featured in this video. Instantly and effortlessly transform your existing chemical injection technology into a reliable and efficient pumping system. See what you are missing and how you can give your existing drives a new lease on life. A wide range of chemical injection systems is used throughout the oil and gas industry. Most commonly used is a single-acting positive displacement plunger pump, as seen here. These pumps inject chemicals that are used to control conditions such as hydrate formation or corrosion attack. They can also be used for a variety of production enhancements by injecting a large spectrum of chemicals under pressure. These injection systems are powered electrically, mechanically, or pneumatically. The drive in this video is powered pneumatically. The operation is simple. Drive gas is acted onto a diaphragm, resulting in plunger displacement. When the full stroke is reached, an internal switching system shuts off the drive gas, and a heavy gauge return spring forces the diaphragm back to its resting position, while releasing the exhaust gas into the atmosphere. Most pumps operate at 10 to 15 strokes per minute and are capable of discharge pressures of up to 5,000 pounds per square inch. This pressure is created in a section called the fluid end. Because the fluid end has an open end to accommodate the dynamic plunger, it is vital that a reliable seal is maintained to prevent leaks and ensure proper operation. To accomplish this, for over 50 years, a traditional compression packing method known as V-packing has been used. This method utilizes a series of V-shaped discs to pack the space between the circumference of the plunger and the inner wall of the fluid end. A retainer is used to hold the packing in place while a gland nut applies pressure, causing the discs to expand. As the discs expand, a seal is created between these two components. There are several drawbacks to this method. Due to the constant friction and the subsequent heat generated, the V-shaped discs quickly become worn and ineffective, causing chemical leaks to occur. Even properly adjusted packing can leak as much as 100 liters of chemical each year. To combat this, operations staff will often increase the sealing force on the packing by further tightening the gland nut. If the gland nut is over-tightened, the increased friction will cause the pump to perform poorly, and in most cases, stall completely. Now the operations staff has two options. They can either increase the supply gas pressure to counter the break effect caused by the over-tightened gland nut, or they can reverse the process by loosening the gland nut, which in return causes the chemical leaking to continue. These constant adjustments to ineffective packing make operations difficult and greatly increase maintenance requirements. To replace the ineffective and unreliable packing method, MCI has developed the N-Seal adapter. This adapter not only eliminates chemical leaks, but it also reduces the friction between the plunger and the fluid end by 90%. This allows for the heavy 115-pound return spring to be replaced with a much lighter 29-pound spring. The lighter gauge spring ensures that the pump operates slower, with less pressure than was ever thought possible, and without the fear of stalling, even with supply pressures as low as 2 psi. Combined, these factors reduce drive gas consumption by 50%. The N-Seal adapter fits seamlessly on most existing packing-style gas or electric series drives used widely throughout the industry. The cartridge-style design ensures a simple and reliable seal change every time. Routine maintenance is virtually eliminated, and there are no additional adjustments required. The N-Seal adapter uses two proprietary UHMW seals. These seals are compatible with virtually all chemicals. They are mechanically energized using a corrosion-resistant stainless steel spring that increases their performance. These springs produce a positive force on the plunger throughout the life of the seal, which provides a leak-resistant solution. This resilient seal design ensures a much greater life expectancy than traditional packing and can compensate for seal wear, as well as any gland misalignment that may occur. As with all dynamic seal applications, some seal carryover can be expected throughout the life of a seal. Because of this, MCI went one step further and developed the industry's first secondary containment technology. This design greatly reduces the potential for harmful and expensive chemical leaks by using a second low-pressure seal that redirects any lost chemical back to the suction side of the fluid end through a secondary containment line. A typical installation and seal change can be performed in less than 15 minutes. The cartridge-style seal assembly ensures a perfect job every time. To install, simply remove the existing fluid end and remove the existing packing. Be sure to inspect that the inside of the fluid end is in good condition and that any dirt or debris from previous installations is removed. Install the seal assembly by threading the adapter body onto the existing drive and temporarily tighten the lock nut. Thread the fluid end back onto the system until tight. This step is very important in ensuring that the high-pressure face seal is seated properly. Install the connector pin, loosen the lock nut, and rotate the fluid end in a clockwise direction until it is upright. Once aligned, retighten the lock nut. Connect the secondary containment line to the suction side of the fluid end. That's it. No longer do you have to settle for continuous leaking, poor pump reliability, and high gas emissions. MCI's secondary containment system, the N-Seal adapter, ensures a long-lasting and effective seal without any fuss.